Look at this, right? With perfect lip sync, all of that, right? Look at this, right? Amazing, right? So realistic. So there you can see it's from this working out in gym and look at this, right? So quite amazing. So the next thing that we have is transition, because it allows you almost unlimited video creation at a one-time small price. And then hug together, drunk pole dance, old photo revival, all of this. PixVerse AI, a complete tutorial. Hey guys, it's Cheyenne, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to cover you up with the best AI video generator, that too for free of cost. Yes guys, this little video creator allows you to log in daily and get daily credits for free as well. So I'm going to actually uncover all the tricks within PixVerse AI, and I'm going to also show you a detailed tutorial of PixVerse AI. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this PixVerse AI tutorial, because I have broken it down into a step-by-step approach so that you can follow along easily. And also I have got you covered with a special link to sign up, for which you get daily free credits as well. So without further ado, let's jump over to my laptop and let's start. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel as yet, then my friend, please go ahead and do that, because that doesn't cost you a single penny, but it saves you many dollars, because in this very channel, I do reveal this kind of AI tools that can be super useful for your daily life, and that you can do for free or for pennies. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Hey, welcome to this PixVerse AI tutorial, and as you can see, this is what the interface of PixVerse AI looks like. Now on this left hand side over here, you get all these things like generating video, template, transition mode, fusion mode, generate sound, generate speech. I'm going to take you through all of this, don't worry. And right on the right hand side, you get your credits, that is the credits you have, and if you click on this, you would get also all the pricing plan that they have. Now, so I've taken a monthly subscription so that I can show you everything, but that being said, you can feel free to sign up for free as well. So without further ado, let's jump over to the tutorial and let's begin. So in here you can see this is a little widget that they have given for creating video, right? And in here you can see you can create image or text to video. Then you can find all the templates over here as well. Now as you can see, there are plenty of templates that are available, so you can actually go through them. You can actually check out all of these, and you can find many viral, trendy kind of things as well inside of it. I'm going to come to it a little later. Then there is transition, where you can have an initial frame and a final frame, and you can have what to do between those two frames as well. Then you have a fusion, where you can add your subject and your background and actually fuse them together. Then you have the ability to extend your video. Maybe you have created a 5-second video, you want to extend it, so you can do that. Then there is sound. Now these sounds are something like sound effects that you can use on your videos. Say for example, you're doing a video on the sea beach, so you can actually add those sounds over here. Then this is text to speech with perfect lip sync that you can add to your videos. Then there is Restyle. That is if you want to restyle one kind of video, say a photorealistic one, to a ClayMotion one, just like this, or a Cyberpunk one, right? So all of that can be done. And last but not the least is a consistent character video that you can build, right? So I'm going to take you through all of this. So let's start with the first thing, which is image or text to video. So for this, I'm going to choose a character. So let's click on create, or you can go ahead and actually give it a name, and you can create your character as well, right, from prompt, or you can upload an image and you can use that as a character. So let me upload my image over here. So as you can see, I have uploaded my image over here, right? So you can do that as well, and you can give it a name. So let's give it a name, and let's click on create character. And now in here, just click on this and select the character, right? So it is done. Now we need to actually give it a prompt, like what I want to do from this image, what kind of video. So I've said the character Cheyenne is walking through a snowy trek with trekking gears and shooting a selfie video with face clearly visible, right? So that's all that I've given. Then in here, you can come over to this panel, and in here, you can select the number of count. You can create more than one variation if you want to, but that is going to cost you more credits, right? Then you can choose the duration. It can be 5 or 8. That's up to you. Then you can also choose your resolution. It can be 360, 540, 720, or even 1080p, but 1080p is for premium plans, right? So you can go ahead and choose any of them. Then you can choose an aspect ratio. So maybe I'm going to choose a mobile one because I want to do a selfie kind of thing, right? Then in here, I can add a camera movement. As you can see, there is a camera movement that is going up. So I can choose any one of them. So maybe I'm going to do a smooth push in. That is a slow zoom in effect, right? And then the style, I can do anime style, 3D animation, comic, clay, or cyberpunk. All of that is available. So you can choose any of them. And last but not the least is standard motion and smooth motion. You can choose any one of them, right? Now, choosing smooth motion will have more credits burned, while standard motion would have a less credit burned, right? But as you can see in the standard motion, it's going to be a slow motion, whereas smooth motion is going to have it more realistic. So that's up to you which one you want to. So I'm going to choose the smooth motion one, and let's go for create. And voila, there you go. It has created it, right? Look at this. Let's get it full screen. Look at this. It's awesome. It's awesome, right? All the trekking gear, a snowy trek, and doing a selfie video. So you can see it all works seamlessly. Now, you can go ahead and add many things to it. Like, say, for example, if you want to add a sound, you can just click on sound. And in here, you can add the sound to this video, as you can see. So I have given winds, breeze, and heavy breathing, right? Because doing a trek would have me heavy breathing, right? So to make it more realistic, let's create this. And as you can see, it's in progress. So let's wait. And it has already started the generation. So it's quite fast, as you can see. As we speak, it's creating. I don't want to actually hide anything from you. So let's go ahead and play this now. So now currently you can see it's speaking in some other language. So if we want to change it, I can go ahead on the speech and I can have a speech over here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've given like, hi guys, I'm Shayan and I am in the Himalayas. Just for an example, right? Now you can go ahead and add more to it, but I'm keeping this up to this, right? And this is going to cost us 30 credits. So let's go ahead and use this. So let's play this.
Hi guys, I am Sayan and I am in the
Look
Himalayas.
at this, right? With
Hi
perfect
guys, I am
lip sync,
Sayan and I am
all
in
of
the
that,
Himalayas.
right?
Hi
Now,
guys,
if you
I am
want
Sayan
to
and I
actually,
am
let
in
me
the
show you
Himalayas.
this as well.
Hi
You
guys.
can just click on speech, and from here, you can actually choose the voiceover, exactly which voice you want to. You can play these voices and choose whatever voice
Hi,
you want
I'm
to.
Adrian, young and free.
So this is
Right
the
in the
voice that
prime of-
I've chosen. Now you can go ahead and feel free to choose anyone. So that's how it works. So I have shown you all of these variations, like how to add sound effects, how to add speech and have perfect lip sync, right? And how to create an image to a video, right? And it does pretty well according to me, because the face is almost perfect and the motion is almost perfect. So it is, I would give it around 9 out of 10, right? So that's quite good. So that being said, let's go over and let's create something else. So I'm going to hit on this back button to get back to this thing over here. And in here, this time I'm going to use the templates, right? So we can go ahead on the template, click on this, and you can see there are plenty of templates that are available. So we can actually go ahead and choose one of them. So the first template may be this Earth Zoom challenge. This one is a great template to have because this one is currently in the trending one as well. And in here, from the space to you, the world is watching. So the concept is going to be like that. So in here, let's upload one of our pictures. Let's upload the same picture again. There you go, right? And we have the auto speech over here. So you can click on this and you can add whatever speech you want to. Or if you don't want a speech, you can leave this. Auto sound is also available. So if you want to add, you can do that, right? Again, this video can be only a 5-second because this is a template, so you can't extend or you can't curtail anything out of it, right? Now once this is done, I'm going to click on create, and as you can see, it has been created. So let's go ahead and see and watch it out, right? So let's look at this, right? This is awesome, I must say, right? So you can just go ahead and click on save, or you can download this as well. That's up to you. Just click on download and boom, it would be downloaded, right? So this is what the final version is going to look like. Amazing, right? Now, you can actually use this to grow your Instagram, to grow your YouTube. You can use this as shorts, but they are more viral on Instagram. So you can just go ahead and upload them as a reel. You can do the same on Facebook or on TikTok as well. The opportunities are endless, right? And this is quite cost effective as well. It only cost me 20 credits to create such an amazing effect, right? Now, it doesn't stop over here. Let me show you. There are plenty of templates. So I can't show you all of them over here, but I'm going to try to show you many of them, right? So let's actually delete all of these. And then in here, you can see all the templates are coming. So you can see you have many templates over here. So, okay, let's actually go ahead and choose, And by the way, you can see all the things are being shown over here. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Like this is kiss kiss means you can just upload 2 images and they will kiss together, right? So that you can do. You have this Earth Zoom challenge that I did. You have this birthday surprise. You have this high five emoji where you can have 2 people doing high fives, just like the ones that you can see over here. And then hug together, drunk pole dance, old photo revival, all of these. Now you can see this comes under trending. So in here you are going to find all the things that are actually trending. But if you want to find out in definite niches like dance, you can see all the dance related things are over here, right? They are dancing in different steps, so you can go ahead and do this. Then there's dual image where you can upload 2 images and the dual things will happen, like hug together, change my outfit, grow up, right? It is a journey from you can add your infant photo and you can add your old version and you can have this grow up journey as you can see happening. Then you can have this winged wardrobe, transition, your channel. All of these is available. Dream mount on a dragon, you can do that as well. So quite amazing. Then there is this party. You can see there are plenty of options available over here as well. Then there's cute version where you have all the cute things happening together. Then you have the alpha boss where you are the boss, like doing a ride my Porsche, private aeroplane. You can have this somber embeds. You can have this welcome to my house where you are standing in front of a mansion, right? Then you have my girlfriends, my boyfriends. So you can have all of that, right? So that's quite amazing. So actually, let's try out this ride my Porsche. Click on this. And in here, you can see get in the car. So in here, you just need to upload an image. So this time I've used another image of mine, right? And let's go ahead and create this. Now, this doesn't give you any option because these are templates. You can't do much with it, right? All that it does is it will convert your photo and it will actually make it like riding a Porsche. So let's wait and see. And you can see it has come up over here. So let's play this. Look at this, right? It's quite amazing. Look at this. I must say it's quite unique. And you can actually go ahead and use this anywhere that you can think about, right? So quite good. And again, you can change the sounds, you can change the speech, you can do pretty much everything with it. Now, I've shown you a couple of templates. Maybe one more I'm going to show you, maybe the viral one like Kiss, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So let's head back to home again. And in here, let's go back to templates again. And in here, click on this first button. This will give you all the templates, right? So in here, these are the trending ones. So let's go for this kiss, right? Click on this. And in here, upload the image where you want the 2 people whom you want to kiss, right? So I have got this designed with a AI designer tool, AI character, a girl and a boy, so that I don't get into any kind of copyright or that kind of thing, right? So in here we have this, right? So one click to send your kiss. You can see over here. So let's go ahead and create this. And as you can see, it has been created. So let's go ahead and play this. Look at this. Amazing, right? So realistic. It's quite a great one to have. So that's how you can go ahead and use the templates. Now there are plenty of them. I would run out of my credits, so I'm not showing you more, but you get the essential things over here. Like all that you need to do is pick a template and you need to just provide it with the things that they want. Like in case if you're doing a kiss challenge, you need this kind of 2 characters. You can't upload a single image over there, right? That won't work. So that's how you need to just apply your common sense and boom, you are ready to go, right? So that being said, let's go back and let's check out another thing that it has. So the next thing that we have is transition. Click on this. And in here, as you can see, what it does is that in here you can upload a couple of photos and you can have the transition. So you can have the transition on 2 or more, like 3, 4. You can just plus on this and you can see more and more things are being opened up. So what happens is that you want the transition from this to this, right? This is the main trend over here. So let's go ahead and do this. So in here, let's upload a couple of pics, right? So let it be this one and let us upload this one. So you can see this was one of my pictures and this is also one of my pictures. So I want a transition between them. So let's type the transition. So I had said like from this to this, I had worked out in gym to get fitter, right? Just for an example. And in here, you can actually go ahead and change all of this. I've already shown this. So I'm not going to show you all of that again. So let's go ahead and click on create. So as you can see, it has been created. So let's go ahead and play this and see how it has done. So there you can see, so from this, working out in gym and slowly converting into this, right? So that's how it has happened. Maybe it could happen a little better, right? But I would give a average number to this one, but with more images we can try and maybe we'll get better results as well. With AI you can never predict, but then this is doing quite well. It has done the things, but it could have been a little better as well, right? So that being said, let's go ahead and check out another feature of it. So the next feature that we have is called Fusion. So just click on that. And in here, you can fusion. You can see, you can do it with a dog, on a beach, a model, a puppy, all of that, a forest, all of that you can choose. And then you have the subject and the background as well. So on the subject, I'm going to upload my own image. As you can see, it has been added. And on this, I'm going to add a background like a beach. So basically, I want this image of me to be on the beach. Now, if I want another thing, I can do that as well. That's up to me, right? So I'm not going to do that. Let's go ahead with the two and let's click on create. And look at this. It has done it, right? So there is my image that I had put in. And the beach is perfect, but there is a little morphing maybe going on. So what we can do is that this is due to the image quality also it can be. So let's actually change this image and let's try it with some other image. So let's delete the image and let's upload one of my other images. So here I have uploaded one of my other image and let's click on create again. And you can see it has been done. So let's play this. And this looks more beautiful, right? And it's on the beach, but as you can see, the beach is not clearly visible. So maybe this time the quality of the video is quite super, I must say, right? So there's no morphing at all and everything comes up in absolutely great way. But the beach can be there as well. So with AI, you can always do that. But then again, this is 9 out of 10 for the quality of the production that it is giving, right? So that's quite cool. So that being said, let's go back. So now this time it has gone ahead and done it perfectly. So let's play this and look at this, right? So quite amazing. Myself relaxing at the beach on a easy chair, as you can see, and my body is also perfect, I must say, right? So that is quite amazing stuff to have. So that being said, that is the main thing with AI. You can repeat and you can get the best, right? And the best part over here is that it's only costing you 20 credits, so you can actually try a few repetitions if you are not happy with the initial production, right? So that being said, that's it for this little functionality, which is Fusion. The next thing is extend. This is pretty simple. You can just go ahead and extend the content if you want to. That is, if your video is 5 seconds, you can elongate it to 8 seconds, 10 seconds. That's up to you. The sound and the speech, I have already shown you how to do that, right? You just want to add a video over here, give the sounds like I had given over here, and it would add them. Again, the speech is also the same thing over here. You can give the characters line and it would tell it for you. So I'm not going to show that again. The next one is Restyle. So in here, I can do this one maybe. This is good. So let's actually restyle into this kind of videos, and the video I want is maybe this one, the getting into the Porsche one, right? That I had created with PixVerse itself. So it has been added over here. So let's click on create and let's see how it fares. And you can see this, right? It has converted it into a Baruch style, and look at this. It's quite amazing, right? So you can just imagine this. If you are going to put it on Instagram, the kind of views, the kind of likes that you are going to get, it's quite amazing, right? So that's how cool it is. Now, I have shown you one style. You can actually go ahead and change it into any style. The same video, you can change it into any style that you like. There are plenty of styles available. You can even go ahead and customize your style. You can just type in the prompt over here, say I want it in an anime style, just one example, right? And click on create, and boom, it would convert it into an anime style. So let's wait, and there you go, it's into the anime style, as you can see over here. So you can see that, right? So that's how cool it is. You can actually go ahead and make it in any style that you want to. So that being said, almost I'm done. So the last thing that we have is the characters. So just click on that. And in here, as you can see, this is the character that we had made. You can just click on this and you can see these are the characters. I've already shown you how to create your character. You can do that, right? Just by clicking on create, and you can use AI to create a character, just like this one is a AI created character, and you can use your own character as well. And then you can have the character in different kind of scenario and make different videos with it. So this will make consistent character videos, and this will actually help you to create your kind of avatars, which you can use anywhere that you wish to. Now, I have already shown this how it happens, so there is no issues with that. Now let's get back to image to text. This is one more thing that I want to show you, is a simple text to video. Say I want a text to video, and I want a Indian man aged 25 years walking through a corporate lobby dressed in formals, just for an example, right? So I have given this, and let's see how it fares in this text to video. There is nothing that I've provided, no image, nothing at all, simple text to video. So let's see how it fares. And look at this. It has created it, right? And it's quite awesome as well. You can see the walking physics are perfect. The dress up is perfect. And there's a man behind walking as well. The reflection of the man comes up in this mirror. If you watch this carefully, look at this, right? So this is quite good physics, quite good aesthetics, and quite brilliant movement as well. So that being said, I would say it's a 9 out of 10 tool. For AI video creation with such consistency, it's a great tool to have. But then you can join for free as well. But on the free, you get a certain number of credits with which you can create certain number of videos. Then there are paid plans as well. So if you happen to join any of the paid plans later, you can do that as well. But if you are thinking of a paid AI tool, then I would definitely suggest you to go for Video Express AI, because it allows you almost unlimited video creation at a one-time small price. Now, if you want to check out more about Video Express AI review, I'll link a video down in the description below, from where you can watch the complete review of Video Express AI as well. And if you want to join PixVerse for free, please feel free to do that via my link below, because for that you are going to get extra credits as you sign up daily. So that being said, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this little PixVerse tutorial. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this PixVerse AI tutorial. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye-bye.